Okay, finally, something that's relatively straightforward. Solving this using calculators. Point, if x is in the denominator, get x out of the denominator in a separate step. So multiply both sides by x. Divide by what's stuck to this x. Now that x is in the numerator, and we can stuff into a calculator. Make sure you're in degrees mode.
Remember, mode is next to second on the calculator, up on the top there.
Okay, multiplying by 2 this time, because we want to get rid of, so we're trying to simplify. X is not in the denominator, so I just multiply. 2 times cosine 70 degrees is 0.684. Okay, so one quick note, faster way. So I'm going to save a step and just say, okay, if x is on top, you end up multiplying by the trig function. If x is on the bottom, you end up dividing. I'll do that all in one swell swoop from now on. Okay. We have a sine button, a cosine button, and a tangent button, but we do not have a cotangent button. Flip these first. Remember, secant is 1 over cosine, and vice versa. Cosecant goes with sine. It would be nice if the cos went together. So I immediately flipped cotangent of 42 into tan 42. Okay. X is on top, so I just multiply. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. And x was on the bottom, so we divide by the trig function. Flip secant into cosine. Oh, x is on top. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, so this is hypotenuse and adjacent. Remember
both ends.
Ka, toa. Okay, you can spell it, you can use it. Cosine is the one that's adjacent over hypotenuse. It has to be cosine of an angle. Cosine of 30 degrees. Oh, well, now we have one of the previous problems. Not too bad. Okay, radian measure for an angle. The definition of a radian is 1 radian is 1 radius's worth of angle, of arc length.
Well, it's an angle for that. Let's write this in actual English.
So,
Radians times radius equals arc length. Doesn't work in degrees.
don't ask me why they use S for arc length. It's really irritating. People look at it, it looks like a 5. Oh well. Okay, so my angle in radians is arc length over the radius. So for this problem, it's 15 over 5, 3. So this picture shows a 3 radian